Thank you, thank you. Honorable Minister Suresh Prabhu ji, Chairman of Siddhivinayak Temple, Adesh Bandekar ji, all the dignitaries who have come, cooperators, and Dia, and your fabulous seeking the blessings of Ganesh ji. Nothing in India can start without requesting Vinayak. In the country is in serious need of our help. there are obstacles in the path of the elephant today. We as a country are 70 years old. India as a landmass which came and hit the Himalayas is 8 million years old. 8 million years old. The elephants across the world are 50 million years old. We must respect the fact that this animal has roamed this earth, this land of ours, for millions of years. And what we are doing here today is to say that we have to give the rite of passage to Vinayaka, to Vigneshwara, to the God who's clearing small pieces, 101 corridors in India, but they're small pieces. And who is actually leading one of the biggest infrastructural challenges in India today, has come here symbolizing that development and conservation can go hand in hand. Mr. Prabhu is no stranger to environment. He was our environment minister. I worked very closely with him when he was environment minister. And I'm sure that in his new role as Minister of Railways, he will not only influence his department, but also the government of India to ensure that elephants have a secure future in times to come. And a special mention to the champions of nature who Dia has so wonderfully got together. We need this message to reach out, not to people like me who are biologists, and I want you to thank the politicians, the dignitaries, and the celebrities who will ensure that this message which we are starting off today will reach. And we are Home Minister. Thank you very much for all of you coming here.
Thank you, sir. And as we said, it's such a noble cause. Hashtag join us. Now, may I please request Shri Suresh Prabhu, sir, if you could please say a few words. Thank you.
जो उन्होंने फ़ोन किया, बोला आपको यहाँ आना चाहिए। और दूसरी है ये कॉज, जो बहुत ही कमाल की कॉज है। उन्होंने मुझे समझाया कि इंसान ऐसे जितने ग्रीडी हैं, हम लोग इतने ग्रीडी हैं और हमारी ज़रूरतें ख़त्म ही नहीं होती। और क्या हो रहा है कि हमने छीन लिया है एनवायरनमेंट से, छीन लिया है सारे वाइल्ड लाइफ से उनका हक, और वो छीनते छीनते हमने खुद अपने आप को दिक्कत में डाल दिया है। तो इफ यू आर रियली ग्रीडी एंड इफ यू आर रियली द ह्यूमंस दैट वी आर, इट्स टाइम टू गिव बैक, क्योंकि इफ यू डोंट गिव बैक we are all going to be destroyed. This planet is going to be destroyed. So be the greediest human being right now. Follow this, join our herd, and help open these corridors, which are very, very important. Very important for your survival. चलो हमने तो जी ली आधी जिंदगी, पता नहीं कितना हो रहा है, मगर हमारे बच्चों के लिए think about them. They need to see the wildlife, they need to be protected and grow up in a healthy environment, and that can only happen if we can protect our wildlife, protect our nature. That's all I can say. And I'm sure Ganesh ji is going to bless us. And we're going to try our best to make sure that the dreams of your Lal Killa will come true by the 15th of August next year.
देश में सारा शुभ काम जब शुरू करते हैं तो श्री गणेश का नाम लेके शुरू करते हैं. So I guess that's why we are here. And as Arjun
Think of a better way to spend my Sunday than with the Wildlife Trust of India, my friend Dia, and all of us champions of nature who are here to celebrate the elephant and highlight the importance of protecting our green corridors through the country. Let us pledge today to protect our wildlife and coexist with nature while at the same time managing to progress, which we all obviously want to do. But I think we tend to sometimes forget the importance of preserving our forests and our wildlife, and that's something that we need to remember. So let's join the herd and secure safe passage for our elephants and for our wildlife. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
First of all, thank you to Dia for inviting me here today and helping me be a part of something much bigger than just myself, which always happens, you know. So I've been wanting to do something much bigger. I thought about how to explain this cause in layman terms, you know, and I said, imagine like when you sit on an aircraft and if you're slightly overweight, and have you ever cribbed about how tiny the seat was on the aircraft? Or have you ever tried to take your big car through a tiny narrow lane, and have you ever complained about that? So just imagine being the size of an elephant and having to do that on a daily basis just to protect yourself. Just think about them, you know, I would say just empathize with them, and these safe passageways is what's something that we need to give them in order for them to live peacefully and, like she said, coexist with them in a better way. So lovely cause, join us, because they're beautiful creatures, and we need to do our bit in helping them to double up more hopefully soon. Thank you.
Hi everyone. I'd first like to thank WTI and Dia and you for doing this and getting people together to actually do something that matters and actually helps in sustainable living for all of us. And you know, India, we are so lucky and fortunate to actually be part of a country that's extremely rich in terms of wildlife and natural resources and heritage. But we are really bad at preserving everything we have been gifted with. And elephants is, you know, part of that. And they're such beautiful creatures, extremely intelligent creatures, actually way more intelligent probably than human beings. And they have a consciousness. And I remember as a child, you know, going through one of these spaces with wild elephants and just seeing a lot of baby elephants and their interaction with their mothers. And it was so humane. And this is something that we can do is in our capacity to just ensure a safe passageway, to ensure coexistence between humans and wildlife. And we are so caught up with our own lives, you know, and there's nothing that we can actually do actively to make sure that everyone can coexist. And this is a very small step in that direction. And thank you so much, Diya, and thank you, WTI, for actually making this a bigger cause. And it's only you guys, I think the media, which can actually bring it and take it to the larger masses. And you know, this is just the beginning, and we have a long, long way to go to actually preserve our natural heritage and our wildlife, and not, you know, cut our forests down, and really not go into their habitat, you know, because I think humans are exploding in a way which is absolutely unimaginable, and we need our flora and fauna to actually thrive so that we can sustain for longer and a healthy way. So thank you so much for doing this. Thank you.
सच में हमारा साथी है और उसकी याददाश्त बहुत अच्छी है, तो आप जितना प्यार उसे देंगे वो उतना ही आपको वापस करेगा। और हम सबके भविष्य के लिए सारे जानवरों का सेफली रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग, एंड हम सब एक साथ जुटकर ये काम कर सकते हैं, अकेले कोई नहीं कर पाएगा। तो सब आप अपने तरीके से इस कॉज को बढ़ाएं, एंड थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर।
At WTI, Diya Mirza.
Namaste. Thank you so much. You know, I couldn't have asked for a better first kickstart for a campaign as WTI's brand ambassador. As the Wildlife Trust of India's ambassador, it's a matter of great pride for me to be launching and participating in this campaign, which is going to be possibly one of the largest campaigns to have ever been made possible in any part of the world. It's a people's movement. It's a campaign that is going to engage people from all walks of life, from all parts of the country. The beginnings of this campaign, which have been organized, which was organized at a meeting of an industry professionals who were designated champions of nature. The launch of the Gaj Yatra in the city and at this particular venue has great meaning. Both the city of Mumbai and this famous temple bring together people from all walks of life. Each one of these people has been in their own capacity a champion of nature in his or her own way. For the Gaj Yatra to succeed, it must become a people's movement. I hope that over the next 15 months, it will capture the country's imagination, inspiring not just celebrities, but people across the country, corporate India, political India, and the general public of India, and just everybody to come together and help us secure 101 corridors for India's wild elephants. I would like to thank the Honorable Minister of Railways, Shri Suresh Prabhu, for making the time to be our chief guest and launching our Gaj Yatra campaign. On behalf of the National Heritage Animal of India, I thank you, sir. Thank you to Shri Siddhivinayak Temple Chairman, the trustees and authorities for making this pious venue available to us and making our launch in Mumbai truly memorable and special. On behalf of Gaja, our Siddhivinayaka, we thank you. Our sincere gratitude to the Honorable Mayor of Mumbai, corporators and Shri Tejas Thackeray. Thank you for being with us on this momentous occasion today. Thank you to my friends, my colleagues from the film fraternity, Arjun Rampal, my hero on screen, for coming all the way this morning and supporting my hero off screen, Vivek Oberoi. Vivek Oberoi, no, Vivek Menon. Oh, it was not a Freudian slip. Oh, God. Okay, I am clearly very nervous, but I will continue. Thank you to my friends Diana Penty, Pooja Hegde, Jackie Bhagnani, Shoini Gupta, and Freesia. Where are you, little one? And my husband, Sahil Sangha, for lending your support by joining our herd and becoming our champions of nature. On behalf of our precious wild elephants, I thank each one of you. We are indebted to you for your help in publicizing this event. And I am going to give you homework. You will continue to work with us through the course of these 15 months and hopefully join, you are already a part of our herd, but help more people join our herd. Thank you, Shri Dilip More. Your work of art, using waste from technology makes a statement that is hard-hitting, and I hope this induces more people to take action. We pray that technology will help us save elephants and not reduce them to an image on Google. Our sincere gratitude to Dr. Alka Pandey, the curator of the Gaj Yatra, without whose vision we would not have been able to integrate art with conservation. To all assembled members of the media, I am reaching out to each and every one of you, the photographers, the press members, the videographers, all of you. We count on you to spread this vital underlying message of the Gaj Yatra, and thank you for helping us save and protect our national heritage animal, the elephant. Thank you for joining our herd. I hope you will continue to be a part of our herd and take this campaign forward. Lastly, and this is the most important thank you of my life, thank you, Wildlife Trust of India. Your work is always an inspiration, and I promise you, today and for the next 15 months, we will make the Gaj Yatra the biggest and the most powerful campaign for wild elephants the world has ever seen. Thank you.
It's a very wonderful initiative started by the Gaj Yatra. It's a campaign of joining the herd, a herd of Gaj Yatra to help, I think, the most important animal from the forest, which is the elephant. Okay, because it's the elephant that has been here millions of years before even we were existing. It has helped in developing the forest. They are the saviors and protectors of the forest, because when the elephant moves from one forest to another according to climates, and it carries with it pollen, it helps to change the forest vegetation, it creates a path for other animals to follow, you know, and protects everybody. So what has happened now is, with human population increasing, you know, corporatization happening, you know, development happening on such a huge level, those corridors have gotten wiped out. So you will keep seeing forests shrinking. And that's why we are finding leopards, you know, tigers, wolves, all of them coming into our habitat. But it wasn't our habitat. It was their habitat which we have taken. So it's time to give back. And I think to protect the elephant and those corridors will make a huge and vast difference.
I think Arjun has said everything, and there are 101 corridors which the WTI is trying to, you know, save, and I think we should support this cause. It's amazing, and what better start on a Sunday. And जैसे अर्जुन ने कहा कि you know वो हमारे हैबिटेट में नहीं आ रहे, हम उनके हैबिटेट में एक्चुअली घुस रहे हैं, तो हमें लगता है कि ये क्या हो रहा है. और we should save wildlife because it's a food chain. So if anything goes out of sync, the whole food chain will get affected, and it starts from the elephants and tigers and so on and so forth. So it's a great cause, and I'm happy to be here.
You know, we look at elephants like just animals, and we think animals don't have emotions. But I just want to add one more thing. I've seen elephants very closely from the time when I've been a kid, because my parents always took me to the forest. They made me appreciate the forest. They made me appreciate the sanctuary of those people. And what's really amazing about animals, the elephant is, the elephant will always come and mourn. यानी कि जब उनके herd से कोई मर जाता है, तो every year on that date and at the time that elephant had died, the whole herd will come there and they will stand there and they cry for that person. And they do it regularly every year. So you tell me, who's more emotional, human beings or elephants? And that's why I'm saying we must protect our wildlife, because if the wildlife goes away, there is going to be no planet, there is going to be no world. ये देखिए बहुत ही परफेक्ट जगह है, सिद्धिविनायक मंदिर आए हैं हम, यू नो, और यहीं से शुरू कर रहे हैं. गणेश जी के ब्लेसिंग्स के बगैर कुछ शुरू तो होता ही नहीं है. तो आई थिंक बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है आज के दिन, और अच्छा लग रहा है कि हमें भी मौका मिल रहा है। हम इतना काम तो नहीं करते, मगर दिया जैसी लड़की है, हमारे जो वाइल्ड लाइफ जैसे लोग हैं, वो लोग सोचते हैं हम तो सिर्फ एज मैसेंजर्स हमें ले आते हैं, मगर फिर एज मैसेंजर्स जितना हम और एक्टिव हो सकते हैं और एक्टिवेट कर सकते हैं अपने आप को और दूसरों को टू कम एंड जॉइन अस, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो होपफुली ऑल ऑफ यू लिसनिंग आउट देयर, कम एंड जॉइन आवर हर्ड एंड प्रोटेक्ट आवर वाइल्ड लाइफ। अरे डैडी के बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे ना भाई।
अच्छा सर, डीजे बैन किया गया उसका
क्या बैन?
डीजे बैन किया गया गणपति में।
अच्छा, मेरे को नहीं मालूम।
थैंक यू।
सो डायना क्या कहना चाहेंगे, जैसे कि किस तरीके से आप इस कोर्स से जुड़े, इसके बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहेंगे?
So I think this is a really great initiative by the Wildlife Trust of India and Diya Mirza to help bring people together to understand, to celebrate the elephant. The elephant has played a very significant part in Indian mythology and tradition, and so we really need to protect the elephant along with other wildlife, of course. You know, in our enthusiasm and greed to progress, you know, infrastructurally and otherwise, we tend to forget how important our forests are. So we kind of taking away the habitat of our wildlife, which is not fair, because you know then what happens to them? Nobody really thinks about that. But we really need to pledge today to go out there to protect our wildlife, make sure that man and animals, you know, mankind and nature can live in coexistence with each other and not in non-conflict with each other. So I'm here today to join the herd and to help pledge protect the elephant.
फिर ना कैसा एक्सपीरियंस होता है जब आप ऐसी जगह पे आते हैं, मंदिर में आते हैं, लोगों से मिलते हैं और देखते हैं?
It feels really good because you know there's sometimes in life it's happening so fast and there's no time to really do what you want to do, and you know I've always felt very strongly for the environment and for environmental issues, for wildlife, and I've wanted to always do whatever I can in whatever small way possible to help. And today has given me that opportunity, you know, to get out of bed early on a Sunday morning, but it's so worth it because it feels so fulfilling and satisfying to actually come here and you know help make a difference and help with a cause. So hopefully people, you know, will we can spread the awareness and people will realize the importance of protecting our wildlife and our forests.
ओके डायना, जैसे कि मुंबई सेंट्रल का ट्रेलर आ चुका है, लोगों को बहुत पसंद आ रहा है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में?
ट्रेलर के बारे में I mean, this is hardly the time to talk about that, but I'm really happy and you know I hope people enjoy the film. We're talking about the trailer, right? So yeah, no, I hope people really enjoy Lucknow Central because it's a film made with a lot of heart and soul, and you know I think it's a beautiful film. There's a lot of hopes and dreams and aspirations, and I think you'll leave the theatre feeling very happy. So you must go watch it.
फिल्म में नजर आने वाली है इस बार, आपको नर्वस है, एक्साइटेड है, क्या चल रहा है?
I'm always excited. I mean, it's always a feel good. It's a good feeling to have a film release. I actually have 2 coming up this year, so I'm really excited and I'm looking forward to it. And I hope it's the most exciting is to see the audience reaction and to see whether they enjoy the film or not. So I'm waiting to see what happens. Thank you.
It's so good. I'm very grateful to all of you for being here on a Sunday morning. It really means a lot to me. I know that the media hates attending Sunday morning events क्योंकि आपके भी families होते हैं जिनके साथ आप time spend करना चाहते हैं, पर आप सब यहाँ आए आज सिद्धिविनायक मंदिर में हमारे गज यात्रा कैंपेन को लॉन्च करने के लिए, उसका हिस्सा बनने के लिए। जैसे कि मैंने अपने थैंक यू वोट ऑफ थैंक्स में भी कहा आप सबसे कि अब जिम्मेदारी उतनी ही आपके हाथ में है। हमारे गज यात्रा, हमारे नेशनल हेरिटेज एनिमल द एलिफेंट को प्रजा तक, लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए, उनमें ये एहसास लाने के लिए कि अगर हम इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस नहीं ले आएंगे तो प्रोग्रेस हमारा नहीं होगा। अगर हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे देश में नदियाँ हो, जंगल हो, साफ़ हवा हो, पीने को पानी हो, तो हमें हमारे जंगलों की रक्षा करनी पड़ेगी, उनमें रहने वाले वाइल्ड एनिमल्स की रक्षा करनी पड़ेगी। एंड हमारा एलिफेंट, हमारा जो हाथी है, गजा है, विनायका है, वो एक कीस्टोन स्पीसीज़ है। जब हम उसके हैबिटेट को बचाते हैं तो हम बाकी सारे वाइल्ड लाइफ को बचाते हैं, और जब वाइल्ड लाइफ बचता है तो हमारे जंगल बचते हैं। ऐसे आर्ट इंस्टॉलेशंस हमारे देश में 101 बनेंगे, शायद उससे ज़्यादा। हमने आर्टिस्ट को एंगेज किया है देश भर से टू क्रिएट एंड इनोवेट एलिफेंट्स मेड ऑफ वेस्ट मटेरियल। कल हमने दिल्ली में लॉन्च किया था, वहाँ पे मेटल वेस्ट से एलिफेंट बने थे, फाइबर वेस्ट से, प्लास्टिक वेस्ट से एलिफेंट्स बने थे। आज यहाँ पे हमने टेक्नोलॉजिकल वेस्ट से एलिफेंट बनाया है और जो यहाँ इनके आर्टिस्ट हैं मोदी साहब, उन्होंने बहुत अपना मन लगा के बनाया और आई होप कि ये एक सिंबल बनता है हम सबके लिए। ये इस बात का एहसास हमें दिलाता है कि हम जो भी उपयोग करते हैं हमारे जीवन में, कोई भी वस्तु हो, वो कचरा बन के कहीं जाता है, तो वो कहाँ जाता है। हम अपना क्या कंजम्पशन कम कर सकते हैं ताकि हम कचरा हमारे ज़िंदगी का थोड़ा कम कर पाए, या ये सोचने लगे कि जो हम कचरा पैदा करते हैं वो जाता कहाँ है।
WTI के बारे में बताइए, किस तरह से
Wildlife Trust of India is one of the most respected, one of the most amazing and inspiring organizations in the country that works in the rescue, rehabilitation and conservation of wildlife animals. मेरे पर्सनल लाइफ, रियल लाइफ हीरो हैं विवेक मेनन सर, जिन्होंने अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी वाइल्ड लाइफ कंजर्वेशन में लगा दी है और मैं उनके छत्र छाया में मुझे बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है, गाइडेंस मिलता है। आई रियली फील अलाइव व्हेन आई वर्क फॉर द वाइल्ड लाइफ ट्रस्ट ऑफ इंडिया।
किस तरीके से ये आइडिया आया आपको, किस तरीके से?
हम जानते थे कि वाइल्ड लाइफ ट्रस्ट ऑफ इंडिया 101 कॉरिडोर्स, एलिफेंट कॉरिडोर सिक्योर करने वाला है और जब हमें ये बात की जानकारी हुई, हमने कहा ये तो बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है, मतलब इतने बड़े स्केल पे इतना मैमथ प्रोजेक्ट है, अगर आप लोग ये कर रहे हैं तो ये बात की जानकारी लोगों तक पहुंचनी चाहिए। लोगों को जानना चाहिए कि ये रंग बिरंगी हरियाली, ये जो हमारा सब ग्लिट्स ग्लैमर है, सब कुछ है, इसके पीछे जो लोग हैं, जो काम कर रहे हैं, उनका काम लोगों तक पहुंचाना ज़रूरी है, सो दैट वी ऑल बिकम स्टेक होल्डर्स ऑफ आवर एनवायरनमेंट। एंड आई एम रियली प्राउड दैट पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ, मेरे खुद के फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के इतने सारे लोग जुड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं। आज इतने सारे आए मेरे दोस्त, लेकिन उनके अलावा भी और बहुत सारे लोग हैं, लेखक, सिंगर्स, म्यूजिशियंस, कंपोजर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स, जो सब मिलके इस कैंपेन की भागीदारी बनना चाहते हैं। एंड होपफुली इन द नेक्स्ट 15 months you will see a lot more from all of us. Thank you.